Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and today I'm going to show you how to upload your image into ThingLink. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to come and we're going to spin the wheel. So I'm going to click on that link. I love that sound. German Heritage Part 2 mural. So I'm going to come back to my hyperdoc and I'm going to go to the Friends of Community Public Art link. And I'm doing this because I just got off the phone with, not off the phone, but I was texting back and forth through instant message with ThingLink, and they are not interfacing well with the Google Drive. So with that being said, we found a workaround until that can happen. But I still have that document that I'm going to share with you, and you can see the images in there. There's German Heritage 1. Up there it is, German Heritage 2. So I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to right click so that I can copy the image address. And then I'm going to come back to my hyperdoc, and I am going to open my ThingLink. I'm going to log in with Google. You've already made your account. I'm going to come up here to create, and I'm going to import from a URL. I'm going to Control V and paste that in, and then I'm going to click import. And there's my image. It's that easy. Right away, once you log your image in, if you could please change the title. So this is German Heritage Mural 2. It's that easy. Thanks, you guys, and don't forget you're going to hit Save Image. Just put that you are going to close without saving tags. And remember, when you want to come back and edit, you just click this button here, and it'll open it back up for you so that you can start dropping the tags in. Have a great day, you guys. I hope this helps.